Okay.
Hey, everybody. It is November 9th. We're past the election and looking forward to Thanksgiving. Let me see where this can go here that you can read it. Can anybody read that? It says Thanksgiving, a time for sharing, caring, and giving thanks. So just want to encourage you guys that we're in what I like to call the last roundup, the last 6 weeks of the year. And we're gonna share ideas today. We don't have a huge lineup today, so we want you to share your ideas of what's helping your parties succeed, or if you have questions. Thanks, Stephanie, for sharing before. I appreciate that. Let's start out with Denise. Would you be able to share with us the process? Denise Garza, would you share? Could you give her the screen? I'll actually mute everybody first. I was getting ready for the hurricane this morning, so just in case it comes, my friend Sharon Morris texted me last night and said, "Are you going to be okay? Are you evacuating?" And I'm going, "Why? What?" I have not watched the news in so long. It's so bad. And so I says, "Well, thanks for the heads up." So I realized I needed to go out and get some provisions. But I was amazed at how busy it was at Publix this morning already. So Patty, thank you for starting this call. But I just think we're going to have like a big storm. That's all. So anyway, Denise Garza, can you show us how to put the link to your show in a QR code?
Yes.
Can you walk us through that? And Patty, can you make her?
Oh yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Where is Denise? Miss Denise.
Spotlight chair or whatever.
Okay, yep. Okay. And I think allow record. Okay. I think you should be good, right, Denise? Are you okay if you have to screen share? Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, so let me I just got set up for 2 screens. Finally, my office is coming together. So,
Nice.
So let me see here.
I don't see Denise. She's the spotlight one. Corey, you can't see her?
Okay.
She's the big one.
Okay, let me pull that up. And I'm sure probably a lot of y'all are probably already using these. So, but let me share screen. No, it's not letting me. Let's disable participants.
No, it's not. No, that's.
Did you make her a co-host?
Yeah. Okay.
You have to make her a co-host.
Hold on. Okay. Okay.
Now you should be.
You should be okay.
Okay.
It just said allow record, but
okay. There it is. Can y'all see that or no?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. You can see the chart, the QR code thing, or no? Yes. Okay. So it's super simple if you can see that.
We can't see it now. All of a sudden, we can't see the code. We did a second ago. Did you switch screens? We see Bridget.
Okay, can you see it now?
Trot.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're good.
Okay. So I mean, so I've tried a couple of them. This one seems to be the best one. So it's just the-QR code-generator.com. Maybe y'all have found some other ones. And just last night, I actually found on Google that they've got a QR code generator that is an add-on, but I've not tried it yet. So I'll play with that and see for y'all. But I mean, it's super simple. I literally have, so actually I'll just even show y'all what I'm doing right now. I've created those turkey trots. So I am creating, sorry, for my party link. So my actual, this is my party link, I guess. So if you just copy and paste whatever URL it is there, once you put it in there, drop it and hit save. But you don't even have to hit save. Like if any of y'all want to hold your phone over that, it's going to pop up to my shopping link. So, I mean, it's super cool. And I've been testing it before I actually save it, just to make sure. So it's pretty cool. And that's basically it. You just hold your phone over it and it takes you to your web page for your shopping link. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Okay, perfect. And Denise, I have a question.
Mhm.
So I'm thinking of the 70-year-old women or 80-year-old women in the room that may not have a QR app on their phone.
Okay, you don't have to have an app anymore. All phones have it now. When
Okay.
COVID happened, all the phones have been updated. So all you have to do is turn on your phone and you hold your phone over it and it will scan it. So in a lot of states, they're not allowing you to pass out menus any longer.
Right.
So that's taking the place of it. So if you literally just turn on your phone and hold your phone over it, it will pick it up.
Don't you have to turn it to pictures?
I'm sorry?
Don't you have to turn it to the picture? Put it on photo, picture?
On your camera.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
that's
has to
probably
be
the
on
easiest way to do it.
Yeah, on your camera. Yeah, so you just
pull
have
up
to
your
turn on your camera and hold it over, not video, but camera itself. And if you just hold it over, like if you were going to take a picture of it.
Not working.
Not working for you.
So then can you print this off like a sticker to put on?
Right, and yeah, so when you hit save, it's going to tell you can save in 3 formats. Only use the PNG. For some reason, because I've actually used it on my Cricut as well to print off stickers. But the SVG file is not going to print on your Cricut. I've used it quite a bit already. So only the PNG file is going to be as accurate. So you save it whatever you want. So like this one is, I have Bridget's turkey trot.
Yeah, and it works. You could do it right on the computer.
And so then from there, I save it as a picture, and then I can print it off. Like I'm doing this the turkey trot, and I actually made one with the Google Photos. And so when they hold that over it, they can see my Google Photo album.
And this is something you put on the PC Team Training website.
It's already there.
It's already there for the turkey trot. But the other thing, guys, so because the turkey trot is on something different, but I actually went ahead because I challenged my team to make 10 turkey trots. So what we did ahead of time is we named we pre-named each of our packets. We made party links and just generically named them with us as the consultants, but we could go back and change the name of the consultant once we assigned them to somebody, but that way we could already have a generic party link. So then we went and made stickers, and we put the sticker of the party link on the catalog and on the folder. So that way when we're passing them out, they already had the shopping link on the catalog, on the front of the catalog, and on the front of the on their folder. Does that make any sense at all?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Denise. Yeah, no, that's good.
So
Double check. I'm gonna double check.
I'm doing a huge fundraiser right now, and it was for a guy who had a heart transplant. And so I sent him like 5 catalogs, and I don't know if y'all can see that. So that was his QR code for a shopping link, and I put that on the front of all the catalogs, the sticker, and it just says to shop here.
Do we want to stop sharing the screen that has the QR code so we can see you better? So you would fill up the screen?
Sure. Sorry. Stop sharing. Okay. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. See. Okay. So that's the catalog, and I would put the sticker on the front of the catalog with the QR code.
Okay.
Right.
So that they can just scan it from
And
their phones.
where did you get that size sticker? What is there a number?
No, I bought them on Amazon. So they're actually full sheets of sticker paper.
Oh,
So
just
the
full
whole,
feet.
yeah, the whole
Okay.
sheet is a sticker. So I'm printing them off in 4 and then just cutting them.
Nice. Okay, perfect.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
And I actually printed them on my Cricut. So it prints
Did
a
you?
lot better. I have a laser printer, so it smears unless you have an inkjet. But they'll do it on your Cricut as well if you have a Cricut.
Now I had to pick up, just to let everybody know, I had to go to, in my search, I had to go to QR up here in my phone, and then the app came up, and then I was able to do it and go to your link. I wasn't able just to put it over the phone with the photo. So,
Okay.
so if anybody's having trouble, just put in your, go to that first page where it's up here, it says search, and just put QR, and they come up, tap it, and then it read it. Okay.
Well, one of my girls is doing a fundraiser right now, and it's for MS, and there's 4 clinics that are involved, but on kind of like a block party.
Right.
So she made it actually is a flyer, and it's got the 4 QR codes for each location for the shopping link. So it makes it easy. They don't have to try to type it. You know, they're just picking up their shopping link, and it's a lot easier that way.
And I think when you go into shop, you see what's available, what's temporary unavailable, and what's no longer available. So I think that's almost an easier way to do it than, and then search for your items there, right? I know Becky, she was showing me that, and I said, oh, cool, that makes sense, you know.
you can toggle, there's a toggle on there, Nancy Jo, that'll show you what's available. And if you don't want to see what's not available, you can slide over to no.
Perfect.
And you know what, guys, we've had a few times that they say they're not available, and we've tried to enter them in, and it's picked it up. So we're telling our people to try to put in the number anyways, and you know, I don't know what that's about, you know, if it just happens to pick it up on a few of them, but we've gotten it.
Sometimes when people have taken things out of host carts that are no longer available, then one becomes available.
Got it.
You know, that kind of thing. So if you've got enough host, you know, one of the things that is happening is, you know, we kind of told people, have your host put everything she might want in her cart, and then go through and actually do your shopping from there. But what that's doing is that it's reserving product that they might not even really want, you know, so it's kind of a catch-22. And then it could be available when they release that and decide, oh no, I want this, this, and this, not this, this, and this. So that could be part of what's happening.
I just real quick too, because I know that somebody asked about the turkey trot. So I got these folders on Amazon. They're like the manila folders. I think somebody else had showed them to me before. They were using them for their post coaching stuff.
Yeah, it's back.
So,
or yeah.
Yeah, so basically we're just putting the turkey trot on the front of it, and we're just putting all the packet in there. So it's I mean, they're like, I think I spent like, there were $100 of them for like $9 on Amazon.
Wow. And how do you what does it mail in?
We're a lot of them I'm delivering because I got a lot of people local, but I'm just delivering them. And so I actually just delivered 3, and they actually fit in the flat rate envelope because I wanted them to get there quick.
Okay.
So it just, yeah, they mail easy.
And what's it to mail 3 for the flat rate? $765 or $790, or what is that?
Ours is $795 for flat rate.
Okay, I thought so. Okay.
Just like ours. Think of it that way, Patty. It's the same shipping cost as ours.
Okay. Okay. Oh, good idea.
Yeah, but we did find some envelopes. They're white envelopes that they fit in too, from Amazon, just a little bit bigger.
Yeah, and 9 by 12.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
they're just white.
Denise, we had a question about, can you share, Cora wants to know a little bit about the turkey trot.
So a lot of people we tend to find kind of shy away from the word party. They're like, oh no, I can't have a party. So we named it Turkey Trot, and we just tell them if they're up for a challenge. And it just says that they'll receive a stuffed turkey packet with catalogs and flyers. They take their packet with them while visiting family and friends over the month. Now that we can say month, before it said just over Thanksgiving, but now with direct ship, they can have it open all month. Turn it in by November 28th and collect at least $200 in rewards. And we put Turkey Trot Rewards Level 1. And it is one item are set at 60% off, one item are set at 50% off, and 10% off all orders for 1 year. Collect more and earn more reward levels. So we're just, it's a catalog show. It's a catalog party. But
Yeah.
you don't throw the word party in there and people are like, oh yeah, I can try that. And that's basically all I did. We had a booking blitz and we just said, hey, the wording was, we sent it to our customers and just asked them that we're doing a turkey trot challenge. Would they be willing to help us out? And just sent them a copy of the flyer. That's all we did. And I mean, I sent out 5 yesterday and I had 3 yeses in the matter of 10 minutes. So those are the ones I just mailed out this morning. So, I mean, people are, and it's usually my customers that I've, the flyer is in the PC team training already, right, Patty?
It is. I'm gonna, and I actually, because it was for our team call, so it's under the team trainings, which is the second tab there. But with this call, I'll move everything to the front page.
Yeah, I made the flyers and I made one for Christmas already that just says reindeer run, same thing, but just red and green with the reindeer. And I actually made a document that kind of helped all my new people with just words. But yeah, that's it. It's not anything fancy. But I think it's just the fact that they shy away from party and now all of a sudden they think, oh, well, I can do that. And they're doing it. So.
And so the actual flyer itself, that's a changeable flyer, is on PC Team Training.
I actually made
Flyers
2.
are there. Yeah, the flyers are there. But it's
Yes.
under team training, so it's not at the very big, it's not right front and center when you PCTeamtraining.com. You have to actually go to the second tab. It's team training, because we did this on our team training call. So I put all the resources there. But I will also add it to this call with all the information. Make sure that we have it.
And I'll tell you, all the ones who said yes to me right off the bat were customers that we kind of went out of the, that I've gone out of the way to help them out. So it's that customer service, because when I said the word, hey, could you help me out? We're having, we've been challenged for a turkey trot and sent them the flyer. It looks easy. I think that word help a little bit helps out, because these are all customers that, hey, I need this. Can you get me this? I mean, when products were, when they were, especially in the long shipping and they needed something right away, I took things out of my inventory, gave it to them, waited for their product to come in, whatever I could do, and things like that, giving them little extra gifts, talking to them a little bit. I mean, these are customers that were happy, you know what I mean? So I think that customer service still goes back to that, because once you have that connection with them, they're willing to do that. So I'm trying to get to the Bahamas, so I want as many parties as I can these next 2 years.
There you go.
This is my question in the chat. Can you look at my question?
Yes. Okay, Marie. I'm gonna I'm gonna answer this. I think it would be horrible to look at a catalog with a bunch of red X's in it. I think what you need to do is put a label on the front that says, due to COVID and supply chain issues, some products are unavailable at this moment. When you put the number in, it'll tell you whether it's available. I think you just need to put that on the front of the catalog. Because you don't know by the time they order something if something is going to be X'd out or not.
Right.
Well,
because it could be available.
We've changed all our party descriptions. So when they're opening the party link, in all of our party descriptions, we're putting great news, Pampered Chef. We started off with a positive.
Yeah.
Is now on a, we start off with holiday cooking and baking is almost here. Pampered Chef is now processing orders within 5 to 7 days. Plenty of time to pamper your kitchen. Great news, Pampered Chef is now on a live inventory. What does that mean? No more back orders. And you will receive exactly what you ordered. Shipments arrive daily, so check back often if there's an item you want that is
I know you're not
currently not
sleeping. I
available.
got your text. I just wanted to ask you.
So that's just, so we're
I have
just
to go
kind
get
of
my
putting it
eyelashes
out
done.
there that, it's a
Do
real
you feel
time
like taking a ride
inventory.
with me, or do you want to
Or
just
might
wait
not be
sit
there.
here and wake up and
Denise,
start your
hold
stuff?
on 1 second. Patty, we need to mute.
My life is done now.
Done.
I have to leave at 11:30.
Ooh. Wait, hold on.
Mute. Okay.
Okay, you got it, Nancy.
I think I did.
You really do.
Maybe
No,
not.
I don't think so.
Okay, got it.
All right, mute all, right?
You know what? It's not letting me do it.
Okay, hold on. Mute all. Okay. All right. So we're going to have to, you guys are going to have to unmute. Denise, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't know what y'all heard already down here. So basically, so we're just kind of putting that in our party description. So when they click for our party links, it's in the descriptions of what they're seeing. So instead of on the
Denise,
catalog or anywhere else.
do you have that typed anywhere that you could put that in the chat so people could take a picture of that?
Yeah. And then, yeah, and I'll grab it and we'll add it to this, all the resources for this.
Yeah, because I just think that it's constantly changing, and to take the time to go through the catalog, I hope that's okay that I answered that, Marie, but Denise, you're not marking catalogs, are you?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
So that's what we put in our party description.
All right.
That's perfect, Denise. That was good. That's a very positive. Yeah, I love that. I love
Okay.
it. We'll add that in there.
So I actually have a document that I give to all my girls. So no matter what type of party it is, we change the words of the description. So like this turkey trot, we have one for vendor, one for the party launch, one for cooking shows. I mean, whatever it is, if it's a fundraiser, we always change the party descriptions to meet whatever's going on. Because we figure sometimes that's all some people see. If friends are sharing their links instead of going on Facebook, that sometimes that's the only way for us communicating.
Denise, are you okay if people share that with their teams?
Absolutely, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you guys all know that you can save the chat. Oops.
Yeah. But I caught it all. I'll make sure that we get it all up in there along with the QR generator code.
I mean, y'all, and if y'all come up with better ones, share them with me, please.
Yeah, no, that was good.
I appreciate anything y'all come up with.
Yeah.
Yep, for sure. One of the other, do we want to go to
We have Bobby.
Bobby? Okay, so do we want to end this recording and start again, Patty, or is Bob? I don't know what Bobby is sharing. So
Wait, hold on. Should I end this?
thank you very much, Denise. I appreciate
Thanks,
it.
Denise.
Welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hold on.